Tired of getting ripped off by hidden fees when you exchange your dollars to euros? Then you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most cost-effective way to exchange your dollars for euros using Revolut. Let's dive in. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. By default, you should be looking at your accounts, which is exactly where we need to be. Confirm that you have a USD wallet active. Also check if you have enough USD inside your USD wallet to exchange into EU, or if you do not have a USD wallet, just tap Add Account and select USD. Next, tap on your USD wallet and then find and tap the Exchange button. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll see two currencies. If USD isn't already selected at the top, tap the flag and currency code and select USD from the list below that. Make sure Euro is selected. If not, tap on the bottom currency and choose Euro from the list. Enter the amount of USD you want to convert to euros. Use the number pad on the screen to input the figures. Revolut will now show you a preview screen. This shows the exchange rate they are offering, how many euros you will receive, and if there are any fees involved, which there usually aren't. Assuming you are within your monthly free allowance, take a moment to review everything carefully. If everything looks good, tap that confirm button. Voila! Your dollars have now been exchanged for euros, and you'll see the updated balances in both your USD and Euro wallets. You can now use Euro for transactions. And there you have it, a simple, cost-effective way to exchange currencies with Revolut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.